Hello everyone. I thought I would also open my camera and record something as I'm addressing a lot of my candidates online, and then something did come up in terms of, why, if you think about it, why everyone should know AI, let's say, right? Why everybody needs to know AI. So I've tried simplifying it as much as I can because I do see a big chunk of people, many of us are still hesitant interfacing, interacting, or depending on AI. And this happens. Change is not easy. Change is, we all resist change. We've resisted change from the times where men rubbed stones to make fire and, make fire and cook food. So why everyone, needs to know AI? AI is changing how we work. Let's face it, AI is changing how we work. Many routine tasks, analysis, reporting, writing, coding, research, customer support are increasingly assisted or automated by AI. And the advantage will shift from who can do the task to who knows how to use AI to do the task. So you see the difference. The advantage will shift. It will shift from who can do the task to who knows how to use AI to do the task. So you want to be one of those who knows how to use AI to do the task. And AI is changing jobs, not simply eliminating them. It's not true. I mean, it often happens. I mean, I have started my application development when I was very young. It was back in Orchid days. I was very good at marketing sales back then. But then I was also into applications development, like enterprise application development those days with TCS. And I remember those were the times where people used Six Sigma and Toyota, and then came automation, then came Agile Scrum, and we resisted, but we were forced to do it. So why not just have that openness and mindfulness to pick up, learn, just get on top of it? Some tasks will disappear. Let's face it, some tasks will disappear. Some jobs will change, entirely new role will emerge. People who understand AI will be better positioned to adapt the industry, so people who understand AI. And you want to be one of them. You definitely want to be one of them. In the area of digital media, in the area of medical field, in the area of software development, in the area of hardware, you name it, AI is going to kind of, bring that change. So you want to be the one that proposes how we can use AI to reduce, eliminate, minimize redundancy, human efforts. We save time and we use the same human efforts to build something else, or just kind of go, live a happy life. So AI literacy is becoming a digital literacy, if you ask me. I mean, you don't need to become an AI engineer, but you should understand what AI can do, what it cannot do, and how to ask it a good question, and when to not trust its answers and when to trust the answers. So I just wanted to make a bit of my heartfelt feelings on how we are adapting to the upcoming changes, because let's face it, AI as an industry in itself has a lot to offer. So if we don't step up, we don't start using it, we don't take that first step, we don't kind of, educate ourselves on how I can use AI to better my world, my work, my things at home. I mean, maybe it's a small thing. Maybe you want to add a schedule to your phone. Maybe you want to build an AI agentic bot, or maybe, something that kind of, helps you, your family, your team. I recently, not recently, I would say almost 2 years ago, I kind of built an RTM, a release train management, or a release train engineering calendar using AI. And AI has not just built it, but then AI put the notifications in it. AI was, using human intelligence, emotional intelligence to understand what if person A is unable to do it or get stuck, then what happens when a person B comes in. So it did an auto calculation of resource and capacity into it, and I had a great success. The best part was that I had a great success. Of course, every time I do something, I make sure I sit down and run the sanities. It's just not UAT and deployment for me. I run the sanities, and this was almost 2 years ago. Imagine, 2 years ago, and so you can do it too. And when I started off, of course, completely non-AI, right? Many of us are non-AI, so not that I've actually gone to an AI university and studied it. So that's a very important bit of information I wanted to give to a lot of my candidates, students, followers. Please, don't be scared. Mindfulness, openness, be ready. Attitude is the key. You tell yourself you can do it. If you tell yourself you can do it. Good luck. Thank you for watching the video.